Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Moto G84. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Moto G84 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G84 settings section. After click over there, you just scroll all the way down and then you need to click here system. After click over system, you need to click here date and time, and then we'll see now right now if I want to change my phone date and time, it's invisible. Actually you have to turn off this set time automatically, and after that you can easily choose any date you want. For example, I would like to change date and time from here, and now if I go back, we will see now my phone is going to appear new date and time, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Moto G84. Actually I will definitely suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. What will help you that if you are in London and you went to Dubai, whenever you reach in Dubai, your phone is going to be connected with the local network, and then your phone is going to appear that local area time. So if you want to if you turn on that automated time, that's going to be appear. So if you want to make it default, into go again here in this settings section and scroll all the way down, click here system date and time, and you can simply turn on set automatically date and time. So within this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Moto G84. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.